VDM and Below's matter until I saw Showere's statements yesterday that I find quite misleading and needs to be corrected. Let's watch this.
My intervention in the case is to ensure that Below's rights are not trampled upon and that he's granted bail and that the case is discontinued and that my lawyer has been directed as such. Everything I told you has come to pass. The judge has abandoned the case. What else do you want me to tell you?
Yeah. It is highly wrong for someone like Sowore to come out in the public and make these statements in this light, knowing the kind of narratives that we fly. No, the judge did not abandon the case. What the judge did was to rescue herself from that case and ask that the case be transferred to another judge. And yes, the judge has every right to do this because of one reason or the other. There are reasons that can make a judge rescue his or herself from a case. The reasons are to protect the judicial integrity of that matter. In situations where there has already been presumptions of bias, even before the actual trial has begun, the judge has every right to say, see, if I continue with this case, they're already saying I'm biased and biased is whatever outcome that comes out from this matter will not be judged right by the public. Although it does not really matter. People could say, if the matter goes in favor of VDM, it could be say, I thought the judge is biased. If it goes in favor of Below, it could be say that the judge succumbed to pressure. There are other reasons which could be conflict of interest or whatever reason that it is that will make the judge say, I don't think I want to continue presiding over this matter. It is better for the judicial integrity's sake, right? It is better the matter be transferred to another judge. And this is pursuant to Section 22 of the Federal High Court Act. The judge can do this so motu, meaning on his or her own volition, or by the application of one of the parties of the matter. For instance, in 2024, Nnamdi Kanu applied that a judge rescue himself from a particular matter, and the judge granted such application. So this is never a matter of the judge abandoning the case. No. Until the case is discontinued, this case continues. Another judge will take over at the next adjourned date. I thought to put out this clearly. Talking about the discontinuation of the case, the manner at which some people are going about this is not how it is done in criminal law. The only person that has the absolute power to discontinue a criminal case is the Attorney General of the state or the Attorney General of the Federation, or even the police being the prosecution with the consent of the Attorney General. So the only time that the complainant, the victim somehow does not have the absolute right. VDM is the nominal complainant or the victim in this matter. He doesn't even have the absolute right to